The Philippine Navy's largest amphibious vessel, the BRP Tarlac, is undergoing routine maintenance at PT PAL Indonesia. But this isn't just a standard checkup. It's a step toward making the vessel even more capable for future operations. With planned upgrades, including a new combat management system, air and surface search radar, and potential weapon enhancements, the BRP Tarlac is poised to become a more formidable asset for the Philippine Navy. Let's take a closer look at what's happening and what this means for the country's naval modernization. The BRP Tarlac, LD-601, the Tarlac-class landing platform dock (LPD) lead ship was commissioned into the Philippine Navy in 2016. This vessel is built by PT PAL Indonesia and plays a crucial role in amphibious operations, disaster relief, and troop transport. Now, in March 2025, the ship has returned to its birthplace in Surabaya, Indonesia, for routine maintenance. Dry docking is an essential process for any naval vessel, allowing engineers to inspect and repair the ship's hull, engines, and critical systems. This ensures the ship remains in peak operational condition, ready for its next mission. While in dry dock, the BRP Tarlac will receive a major upgrade: its combat management system. A modern combat management system will enhance the ship's ability to detect, track, and respond to threats in real time, making coordination with other naval assets more efficient. Additionally, new air and surface search radars will be installed. These advanced sensors will provide extended detection range, improving the ship's situational awareness against potential aerial and maritime threats. The Philippine Navy has hinted at even bigger enhancements for the BRP Tarlac in the future. Among the possible additions are a 76mm main gun for better surface attack capabilities, deck-mounted cannons for close-range defense, decoy launchers to counter incoming missile threats, and a potential missile system, possibly a French-made MBDA weapon, though its exact placement on the ship remains unclear. Initially, a separate project from the strategic sealift vessel, the Department of National Defense (DND) was rushing the acquisition of one or two multi-role vessels, MRV, for the Philippine Navy through government-to-government contracts for Rice-Sester to 10 billion pesos. This would be of indigenous design and will have no resemblance to the previously constructed model for the Indonesian Navy, the Makassar class, which was of South Korean origin. On May 29th, Indonesian state-owned shipbuilder PT PAL Indonesia held the keel-laying ceremony for a 124-meter landing platform dock, LPD, ordered by the Philippine government. The ship, classified as a strategic sealift vessel, SSV, is the second ship from the second batch of 2 LPDs ordered for the Philippine Navy. The first steel-cutting ceremony for this ship had already taken place on January 22nd, together with the keel-laying of the first LPD of the same batch. The first batch, consisting of 2 LPDs, BRP Tarlac, LD-601, and BRP Davao del Sur, LD-602, were successfully delivered and commissioned in 2016 and 2017, respectively. Both ships have participated in numerous exercises and humanitarian missions, demonstrating their versatility and critical importance to the Philippine Navy. On several occasions, the 2 vessels have also been deployed to the South China Sea. BRP Tarlac has proven to be a vital asset in the Philippine Navy's fleet. Its versatility allows it to support marine landing operations, humanitarian missions, and naval exercises with allied nations. With rising tensions in regional waters, particularly the West Philippine Sea, upgrading the Philippine Navy's assets is a strategic move. Enhancing the BRP Tarlac's combat and surveillance capabilities ensures the country has a more resilient and capable naval force. The BRP Tarlac's dry docking and upgrade program reflect the Philippine Navy's commitment to modernization. With a stronger combat system, improved radar, and possible weapons integration, the vessel will continue to serve as a key asset for the country's defense. What do you think about these upgrades? Should the Philippine Navy push for missile systems on the BRP Tarlac? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the country's military advancements. See you in the next video.